Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another Lightroom tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna talk about how can you color grade your images using split toning feature in Lightroom. So guys, before I go any further, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be sharing more videos of this kind every Wednesday. Well, I'll be sharing all kind of videos on editing using Lightroom, Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and many more in the coming days. So go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Okay, let's dive into Lightroom. Select the image that is to be edited and now go to Develop Module. I'll hide all the unnecessary panels that appear so that the image appears large. Now to the right panel, if you don't see split toning, just right click on the empty space and then select split toning. And you can see that and expand that. There are two things that you will see. One is the highlights and another one is the shadows. You can either move the sliders or you can select the small rectangle. So now that I'm back with the split toning, I'll select the small rectangular box which I find it comfortable to edit instead of the sliders. There is a slider underneath which is for saturation and the other one shows the height at which the pointer is selected. So now just randomly select a color using the pen tool. I don't want the green color or the red color for this particular image. It entirely depends on the kind of image that you're going to edit. So here blue color looks fine to me and I'll adjust the saturation as per the image. I don't want to take it too high because if I take it too high the image will look blue. So as you can see the slider over there, when I move it up the slider moves to the right and when I bring it down it moves back. So basically it is nothing but you're increasing and decreasing the saturation. So I'll select this particular place which is right for this image. I can adjust the saturation slider as well. So this is basically how you select hue in highlights. The same applies to shadows. Select the right hue by selecting the right color. I think this particular selection looks the ideal for this particular image. Well, there is something called balance that is in between. So moving the slider to the left will increase the image that you have edited in the shadows region, whereas moving it to the right will take the color of that of highlights. So I can play around with this balance till I get the right color grade that I wanted it to happen. So once I'm happy with the selection, and that's it. There is one thing that you need to remember while color grading an image of this kind using split toning. Well, if the histogram is to the extreme left or right, which indicates that it's either jet black or it's super white, then split toning doesn't apply to these extreme regions. It's basically if the histogram is somewhere in between. Hope this video was useful, and if you think that you have learned something today, then go ahead and smash that like button. You can thank me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll be sharing more videos of this kind every Wednesday, so go ahead, subscribe.